There's a brand new construction home in the Chicago suburbs. Naperville District 203 schools, express metro into the city in 36 minutes. A golf course right next door, rated one of the top 3 9-hole courses in all of Illinois, and DuPage River Woodlands right outside your door. And it starts above $850,000. This is not an entry-level home. This is for the buyer who has worked for this. The professional who relocated, built something, and is ready for a home that matches where they are in life. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. My name is Bonilla, Chicagoland real estate agent specializing in the Fox Valley and surrounding suburbs. Today we're walking through the Willwood model at Estates at River Ridge, a brand new Pulte community in Lisle, Illinois. Now, I'm going to show you everything: the floor plan, the community, the school district, and what you need to know before you sit down with the builder. If you're relocating the Chicagoland suburbs or researching what new construction looks like at this price point, this is exactly what you need to see. Now, grab my free new construction buyer's guide in the description before you do anything else. Estates at River Ridge is a brand new Pulte community along the DuPage River Woodlands in Lisle, Illinois. This is not a standard suburban subdivision. The setting is genuinely different. You have mature tree lines, natural woodland views, and a community that sits adjacent to River Bend Golf Club, recognized as one of Illinois' top 9-hole courses. If you've been relocating from a city or a high-cost market and you're looking for something that feels like a real place rather than a development, this community delivers that. Here's what makes the location exceptional. You are minutes from downtown Naperville, one of the highest ranked cities to live in America, and minutes from downtown Lisle, which has its own dining, shopping, and community feel. You're positioned right near I-88 and I-355, which gives you clean access across the western suburbs and into Chicago. And Lisle has its own metro station on the BNSF line, one of the most reliable commuter lines in the region. Express service gets you into Chicago Union Station in approximately 36 minutes. For Chicago buyers specifically, that means you can keep your job in the city, make the move to the suburbs, and be on a train into downtown in just over half an hour. That is a combination most new construction communities in this market cannot offer. Now, as we're touring the guest room downstairs, I want to bring up a conversation that matters for relocating families. So let me be direct. Estates at River Ridge is assigned in Naperville District 203. Your specific schools are Meadows Glen Elementary, Kennedy Junior High School, and Naperville North High School. Naperville North carries an A+ overall grade from niche and ranks number 18 among all public high schools in the state of Illinois. District 203 as a whole ranks number 11 best school district in Illinois and top 75 in the entire country. If you're relocating from New York, San Francisco, or Seattle, and you're used to paying a premium for access to good schools, this is the answer in the Chicago suburbs. And for buyers coming out of the Chicago public schools, this is one of the most significant upgrades you can make for your family. It is built into the address. If you're relocating to the Chicagoland suburbs, whether that's from out of state or from Chicago itself, and you're looking at Naperville District 203 schools, new construction, and a location that actually makes sense for your life, let's talk. This is not a casual decision at this price point, and I want to make sure you have the full picture before you commit to anything. My contact info is in the description. And grab my free new construction buyer's guide. It covers everything you need to know before you sit down with any builder at any price point. Link is below. No pressure, just clarity. Lisle has a genuine outdoor identity that most buyers don't expect until they get here. The Morin Arboretum is right here in Lisle, 1,700 acres of trees, gardens, lakes, trails, and with over 16 miles of hiking paths and 9 miles of scenic drives. It's internationally recognized as a world-class botanical garden and research center, and it draws over 1 million visitors a year. Every December, they run the illumination event, a light and sound experience through the Arboretum that is genuinely one of the best seasonal events in the entire Chicagoland area. The DuPage River Trail runs through the area, and Riverbend Golf Club is right next door to the community. If your family values nature, outdoor access, and a genuine community atmosphere, Lisle delivers all of that, and it's been doing it for a long time. I want to talk about something that's specific to buying new construction at this price point, because the higher the purchase price, the more important it is to go in with the full picture. First, at $850,000 and above, the upgrade options become significantly more impactful. The Willwood has a long list of structural options: the game room addition on the second floor, the tray ceilings, the finished basement, the covered patio. Every one of those adds to the base price. It is very easy to start at $850,000 and end up well over $1 million by the time you've made your selections. Know your ceiling before you walk into the design center. Second, the builder's contract at this price point has even more at stake. Timelines, contingencies, deposit structures, these are all details that matter, and having someone who knows how to read that contract and advocate for you is not optional. It is how you protect a purchase of this size. Third, there is no cost to you as a buyer to have your own representation. The builder has a sales consultant whose job is to represent the builder. My job is to represent you, and it costs you nothing to have them. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. I cover new construction and the Chicagoland suburban market every week. Want to understand how Lisle compares to Naperville or the Fox Valley suburbs? That breakdown is coming. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.